What do you mean by annealing? Annealing is a heat treatment process used mostly to increase the ductility and reduce the hardness of a material. This change in hardness and ductility is a result of the reduction of dislocations in the crystal structure of the material. The answer to this question would be annealing is the process of heating any material above the recrystallization temperature and cooling after some time. This process increases the hardness and strength of the material. The result you will get is a reduction of dislocation in the crystal structure of the metal or the material being annealed. Explain the important rules that must be kept in mind while designing castings. You need to keep the section thickness uniform as much as possible. Sudden changes in the thickness should be avoided. You must avoid large flat surfaces because large spaces are difficult to create. Always use a curved shape to improve the stress handling of the cast. How can you identify mild steel, cast iron, and high carbon steel? You can identify these metals by spark testing. Mild steel gives medium and dense sparks. Cast iron gives very thick and short flashes, whereas high carbon steel gives long and thick sparks. How to report calorific value of fuel? The heat value of a fuel is the amount of heat released during its combustion. It is also referred to as calorific value. This heat value is a measure of fuel's energy density and it is expressed in terms of joules. The answer to this question would be, in order to report the calorific value of the fuel, we can report it as a received or wet basis, as dry or moisture-free basis, and combustible or ash basis.